Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2015 Kia Sportage. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.